Hello friends, welcome to this new video today. Myself Shakti, and today I'll be reviewing a software called ClickAd. And this is a software which has been created by Avit Vedi. He is one of the topmost affiliate and product creator in JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So what exactly ClickAd is? Like it's a as it says, like it's a brand new software which can quickly create your profitable Facebook ads and that raking clicks and cash for pennies. So this software help you to go ahead and create Facebook and Google ad within a few minutes by just clicking few buttons, wherein you don't have to think about what would be the creative, what would be the ad copy. You have to just go ahead and select the targeting, and you have to just go ahead and do the basic things, and the other heavy lifting will be done by this software. So this is really a software which can help you to save a lot of time of yours, and at the same time it gives you some great ad copies and creative which can be used for your ad. And before we go ahead and dive into this demo of this software, let me tell you, like, if in case if you are buying this software from my link, from my affiliate link, then I'll be giving you some exclusive premium bonuses which is only available through my link. So let me tell you, like, what are those. First of all would be an Instagram marketing made simple and profit. So since this particular software which will be reviewing it is related to Facebook, Instagram and Google. So this particular guide will really help you to craft your ad, to know more fully. And the second one would be to write a headline or a subject line that sells. Well, this is very important because the headline of your ad grabs the attention of your potential customer. So this particular training will give you a detailed information, a detailed thorough training about how to create eye-catching headline which will grab your customers. And the third one would be a Ninja FB advertising and retargeting tactics. So with this, you will learn how to retarget those who have visited your website or those who have visited your product page. So this would be really handy with this particular ClickAd software. The third one is FB Live Handbook. So how to go live in Facebook, because Facebook prefers live on their platform that attracts a lot of people to your live video. So this particular training will also help you how you can successfully drive audience to your FB Live. And the third one is from $0 to $100 in $0 to $100 in 25 hours. This is also a very powerful training. So this will really help you in your online journey. And the third one would be like crazy traffic exposure. This is related to how to get more traffic to your ads. So there are like techniques which you can follow and drive traffic to your ads. So these are some of the exclusive bonus which I'll be giving you along with the purchase of your of this ClickAd software. If it happens you buy it from my link. So now let us go ahead and see like how this particular software works. So when you log into this website or to this software, in fact, then this is the dashboard that you see. So over here on the left hand side you can see like the dashboard. Then it says manage ads, and then it will tell you Google ads, manage ads, wherein you can see like all the ads that you have created. So whether it is on Facebook or Google, so you can see all the ads, and then you will find then the next option is Google ad. Then whatever Google ad you have created, then it will show you the Facebook ad. The integration is nothing but integrating your Facebook Business Manager or your Google account with this software. And this is the native ad news. So these are the like the integration that you can make it to your uh, to this particular software with your Facebook and Google. So let me go ahead and show you how you can go ahead and create an ad over here. So for that, you need to click on create new ad. So once I click on create new ad, it will open up this particular page. So over here, like, you can select your product. So suppose say my product over here is suppose say over here it is a laptop, okay, or in fact an ebook. All right, an ebook. Then what is the category? You can select it is marketing. I'm selecting over here. Then you can select the subcategory. That one you can mention is as social media marketing. Then the problem. So you have to mention what is the problem of that particular. What is the problem this your ebook is solving? So in my case, I'll select post sales support. Then solution. So what is the solution that you are giving? So I'm giving a solution to manage customer post sales. All right. So once I'm done with this, then I will okay. Then I will go ahead and type the URL of my website where I want to drive my traffic to. Then I go ahead and click on generate ads. And once I do this, this will start generating an ad. You can see like a lot of ads has been generated on the left hand side. So over here, what you can do is that you can either go ahead and click on edit the ad and type in your headline that you wanted to. You can change the picture, you can write a description, or else you can write a long description. Then once, if whatever it is pre-written over here, if you think that doesn't sync with your product, you can change it. If you feel that that is really helping you, then you can keep it as it is. Then click on save ad. And once you click on save ad, then where exactly you wanted to publish it, whether you want to publish it in Facebook or you want to publish it in Google. So, or else you can share the ad to any of these platforms as well. So, suppose say if I click on Facebook, all right, I want to Facebook, then click on connect Facebook. Then I integrate this particular platform to my business manager. So it will straight away it will direct me to my Facebook page, wherein I can just go ahead and uh, connect. I won't do it as this is a demo one. So this way you can go ahead and create some really profitable cool ads, and that will really help you. And you can see like over here, it took me like hardly 2 to 3 minutes for me to save this or to create this ad, which directly got integrated uh, to my Facebook advertising account. The same way you can do it for Google as well. So this is really going to help you and cut down your lot of time, because what happens is that whenever we want to create an ad, we brainstorm the copy, the picture, and a lot of things. But over here, you don't have to do that heavy work over here. You can just go ahead and select your option that you want to, and it will straight away it will create an ad. And for whom this particular software is fit for. In fact, this particular software is fit for everyone who want to who want to create some online income. So whether you are a Facebook or a Google advertiser, if you are an affiliate marketer, if you are a local agency marketer, if you are a new marketer, or if you are a blogger or a YouTuber, anyone wants to run ads, this particular software will fits to your requirement. So I highly recommend you, if you are really feeling if you are really feeling that this software will help you in your online journey, then I would recommend you to grab it at the earliest, because this particular price may go high, because as you can see let me show you the page. You can see it will give you a timer. There is a timer which is saying like price increases. So when you are logging to this particular sales page, then make sure that you grab it before the time gets over. So this will really help you if you are a paid marketer, or if you do a lot of paid marketing. So this software is going to help you. And as I said, like if you buy through my link, then you are going to get these awesome bonuses. So think over it. If it really fits your bill and if it fits your requirement, go for it, because this doesn't cost you much as well. Let me tell you like what exactly the price is. Like if they give a 14-day money back guarantee as well. So even though like in 14 days, if you feel that this software is not working for you, or if it doesn't require or if it doesn't fit your requirement, you can get a money back. It costs $45. It's a one-time payment only. And there is another version called 47. There are two. One is the pro version and one is the starter version. So in starter version, you get the basic things that I showed you. But in the pro version, you get this bonus training, article to voice creator, forcible traffic blaster, SEO software, SEO software pro. So these are some of the cool features or the cool bonuses that we're getting along with this. And along with these bonuses that I'm giving you, like I will be giving you some exclusive bonuses from the vendor as well. And let me tell you like what are they. Those bonuses would really help you to use this software in a much better way. Um, Let me show you like what are the bonuses that you can get if you pick this software from my link. So you can get a vidrank uh, software which will help you in your video creation. And you get a reseller rights to the videos, and you get this WP Dollar 3 Pro, this particular software as well. This will help you to store. You can build e-com stores, and you can get this social news as well, which it is for sharing content and all. And AK Booster, it can help you gain massive advantage over your competitor. You can get this one also exclusive bonuses. And ready-made niche blog, 100 ready-made blogs. This is one which you can get. And the grid agency WordPress theme and the white label license bonuses for Appy Pro, Appy Spy Pro. It helps you to find most popular niches and keyword in Apple iStore, Google and Android Play Store. And the AdSense Dragon, this will help you to step-by-step like training or a blueprint of how to use AdSense. And you can also get this video app monarchy. There's a WordPress plugin that actually produces result for anyone who's struggling to generate traffic. Then you get video niche auto video thing. This helps you to takes all the guesswork out of your video blogging and does the heavy lifting for you while making you ton of money from the massive video traffic. So this is related to video traffic. And there is a bonus 5 is beautifully viral. You can build unlimited beautiful viral video blogs as well with this social news theme. So and this creation news desktop. So you can see like there are some very premium software bonuses that you will be getting. So I would highly recommend you if this particular software can you think like this is something that you need for your business, then go and grab it at the earliest. I hope this this review video was helpful for you guys. And if you think that this video was helpful and the review was the one that you're looking for, then please share and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.